The third thing you shouldn't do while recovering after an affair is don't talk about the affair. Now, what I mean about this is that the person who cheated won't really want to talk about it much, and the person who was cheated on will want to ask about it, say, well, how many times did you have sex? What position was it? Where did you do it? How did you meet? Etc., etc., etc. Now, I'm not saying to the person who was cheated on, I'm not going to say to you, don't ask these questions. They're legitimate questions, but the problem is, what do you do with the answer if you don't like it? Now, I've met people there who wanted a blow-by-blow description. It was the best thing that happened to them. And others who did ask for a blow-by-blow description, and it made things worse. The most important thing you should be talking about is, how did they meet? How do we make sure this doesn't happen again? What was happening with our relationship for this to happen? And how do we fix it up? How do we make the relationship better? They're the things you should be focusing on. How do we make sure that this doesn't happen again? Bottom line, be careful what questions you ask. Because once you've asked that question and the answer is given, guess what? You can't take that back. And the person who's a cheater, just be careful. If you just say an answer just to get the other person off your back, guess what? When they find out that you have lied to them again, you've just made it a lot worse. So honesty is important, but just be careful what you talk about it. The focus should be about how we're going to fix our relationship up, making it better.